Experience powerful blending and chopping in the palm of your hand with the KitchenAid 5-speed hand blender. A powerful DC motor and the first ever interchangeable stainless steel bell blade assembly effortlessly blend, froth, whip, and chop everything from nuts to salsa with greater control. The splash guard increases airflow to prevent splashing, while the removable 8-inch stainless steel blending arm makes it easy to blend in deeper pots. And the first ever removable pan guard helps prevent scratching on cookware. Blend and store homemade sauces or baby food purees in the included 1-liter BPA-free pitcher with no splash lid. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.
Hi, we are a team that successfully funded the KEFIRKO project, the world's first all-in-one kefir making jar. Now, thousands of people use KEFIRKO to easily prepare healthy probiotic drinks at home. At the moment, we are looking for your support to fund a new project, KEFIRKO Cheesemaker, a kitchen tool that will simplify the home preparation of probiotic cheese. Cultured dairy doesn't need heating, rennet, or additives to make cheese. It only needs slow straining to separate the solids from the whey. KEFIRKO Mesh Basket is specifically designed to do just that. The top lid prevents small pieces and flies from falling into the cheese and absorbing smells from other food in the fridge. Whey, rich with proteins, is a byproduct when we make cheese from milk. It strains into a glass jar where you can preserve it to keep it fresh. The ring adds more volume to pour the kefir into the mesh basket. When the kefir strains, the amount of kefir cheese dips under the lower level of the ring. The result is a fresh and healthy homemade probiotic cheese. Add some flavors to spice things up and give it the taste you prefer. Begin your day with KEFIRKO Cheesemaker for a delicious and healthy breakfast with your family. Or use your imagination and prepare a variety of tasty cheese dishes for a colorful dinner with friends, creating a perfect end to the day.
The KitchenAid 3.5-cup food chopper. 1 touch, 2 speeds, delicious results. Simply press and hold to chop or puree. The uniquely designed stainless steel blade achieves the results you like when chopping graham crackers or pureeing baby food in the BPA-free bowl and lid. And add liquids at a perfect flow rate for a rich, creamy pesto. Cleanup is quick and easy, leaving you time to do more.